Hello, this is Nell, and welcome back to Alba, a wildlife adventure, and this is a cozy one. Let's continue on this adventure. What's my objective? So scan 30 different animals using phone. Okay. Marina dropped me a DM to say thanks for bringing back socks. That's another good deed. You're really racking them up. Let's go. Ooh. I can. Okay. Cozy music. I'm done with that. Can I go up there? I want to go up there. Clean up the island. New. Clean up rubbish in the woods. Okay, and near the island. 2. Well, isn't this just delightful? Things to do. Grandad, there's some archaeology shops here. The castle one. There's some okay, well, I hope you read that because my eye was a bit jumbled. How many do I have left? 1. Oh, isn't this just gorgeous? And I cleaned it up. Oh, but I'm glad you made it. Look, there's restoration work going on at the castle. Maria even dropped off posts for a new sign out here. Let me guess, I need to fix it. Also, archaeologists are digging things up in the gorge art. Why don't we go in and see what they're up to? Yes. This is a very beautiful castle. Perfect for picnics and photo albums. I heard about your petition. Of course I'll sign it. Who needs a hotel anyway? Camping is so much better. Thank you. Okay, what else do I have now? Help fix the castle. Let a child do the work for you, people. Thanks for setting up the table. Forgot to bring the instruction manual and some tools. Anyway, I can finally start cataloging the items I find. But first I'll take my break and enjoy the castle. Well, great looks like I forgot to bring my lunchbox. In any case, thanks for helping again. Can you, no, sign my petition? Okay. Oh. Interact. Oh. Ah. Does that count? I don't think that appreciated. That was quick. You should consider community ecology. My colleague is right. You're very talented. Thank you for your help. Yeah, let us sign a petition. It's the least we can do after all your help. I hope that's 2, though. You'll have the petition filled up in no time, Alba. I guess sometimes you have to dig deep to achieve your goals. Dig deep. Yes, okay. I would be sad if I finish this game, even though it's I don't know, I love this game. It's just something about it. It's so cozy. Oh. Hmm? Oh, but did you see that? How magnificent. I think I might be some kind of eagle. Okay. But first... Buenos dias! Old castles are fascinating. According to the sign, this castle had a secret entrance, but it got walled up because the Lord kids kept sneaking out. The sign's been broken so long. I've totally forgotten about that story. Don't know why I never thought of fixing it myself. Good job, Alba. Oh wait, Alba, you are the founder of the AIWL. Okay, thank you for signing petition. Alba's doing a lot, but I feel like a friend is the force behind it. Okay. How do I fix? Okay, sorry. I'm done. How do I get out of here though? I don't think that's the way, Alba. That'll do. Listen. Alba doing all the work. Oh well, it's done now. Thanks, Alba. Okay. Can I fix? What else can I fix? Scan the eagle from the castle walls. Well, I'm trying. Okay. Now I need to go around. Love the animations. This is not very safe for a child. 10. It is so beautiful up here. Ah, there we go, little fella. Or girl. And I wonder if you can fall off. Okay, that is... So I need this one. Beautiful. Spanish Imperial Eagle. Scanned 40 different... Oh no, okay, I'm done. Oh, that's a beautiful photo. Okay. Ooh. Rare eagle nesting at castle. Alba, that was so dangerous. Did you take any good pictures? I love the way you nod in this game. I think I'm going to stick around and see if I can get a good one myself. Well, let me help you there, Grandpa. Castle reopens after renovations. An Imperial Eagle. That's amazing. They're really rare. Only lynx are rare. Listen, I want to see a lynx. The archaeologists will have to be very careful not to disturb them. Let's see. No, 1. I need to scan 10 more. Find animals caught in rubbish, 1 more. I need 20. Oh my goodness. Breaking news. Lead on links. Meet at chicken farm. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. Cheers, people. Can I go down here? I'm just gonna clean this up because... Beautiful. Ah, shortcut. Oh, I love the tails. Animal trapped in rubbish saved by AIWL. Please don't give me another one. I'm trying my best. 31. Where am I? Oh. Am I going down? Do I have any one of these? I don't think I have any one. Okay. Okay. Picture time? What about you? Do I have you? Yes. Oh, there we go. Boobo boobo. Eagle owl. What about you? Do I have you? A blue tit. Don't I don't have that one? Where else can I? Eagle owl. And I need a common swift. I don't have one. Where do I find that one? It's so beautiful. And keep your eyes peeled for a blackbird, a common swift. Can I go up here? Yes I can. Am I supposed to be up here? I don't think I'm supposed to be here. But it sure is an amazing view. All I need in this area is... Oh, they are busy here. Where is she though? Can I scan the donkey? Donkey. Beautiful photo, donkey. Thank you. Okay, tell me about the links. Something's been eating... It might be the... I think there's in there a fox. Can you help me fix the fence real quick? But today I'm telling you, I can fix the fence. Thanks you both. Good fencing. Twice I kept my animals safe now. Oh, anyways, so some... Who's talking? Eh? Is that the radio? It's the radio. I was so confused. I was so confused for a moment. I think it's a fox, the one I've been trying to find. Yeah, I think it's the fox. Yeah, it's the fox. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. Exciting. The home of a mystery animal. There's got to be a lynx. Imagine. It's not. It's not the lynx. Yes, it's a fox. Okay, take a photo. Take a photo. Okay, please stop. Go. A fox? No. Please scan the fox. I think that's all the animals for the terraces. I think. Chicken thief tracked to lair. It's a den at the lair, said in newspaper. Still, good news. I feel like Ines is actually the brains behind this whole operation. Last shot. Oh dear. How am I gonna get 19 by tomorrow? Okay, who's sneaking? Oh! 36. It was the lynx. Okay, so beach only 1, 2, but I'm finished with 2. Marshlands, I still need 2. I still need a few. My friend thought he saw a glossy ibis in the rice fields. Can you check it out? I'm coming home, Grandpa. Give me a minute. Where is the rice fields? Ah, there we go. Can I... I need some animals. Well, it's a beautiful photo, but it means nothing. Cute. Beautiful, because I need some... What's this? Identified. Be on your merry way. Well, I don't know about that, but there are a lot of birds in the rice fields. That way. I'm just... Does this count as the beach? Oh, it's beautiful. I need to go to Grandpa's house. He is... Oh, look at this. Isn't this magnificent? Oh, love it. Okay, bye. It is. Beautiful. Okay. Colorful addition to Secarel's wildlife. 37. Okay, I need to go. I need to scan 2 more. Oh. Western Swampin. I've got that one. I have Greater Flamingo. And the blue one. Oh, that's a flamingo. There we go. Thank you. And then I have that one. I need the small blue one. It should be here close by. Hope. Nope. Nope, I thought it said hope. Well. Aww. Making waves. Now time, Alba. We need to find... Got one more and we have like 12 signatures left. Oh, what do you know? Listen, just as I was done, you give me more. Seriously. Let's go home. Oh, wait, is that one? I think that's the one. Okay, it's the one. Yes, okay, beautiful. I get that the kingfishers a lot in my garden. Oh, that's a cat. Yeah, and it was nice. Okay. Okay, so we've got, I hope we have like until tomorrow afternoon because Ooh. Oh my goodness, that was... Ooh. So it's Friday. Let's see if we can actually finish. What's first? Nature Reserve prepares, clean up the island. I can fix this one. The girl said your dolphin came back. If you take the boat and scan it. I need animals. Oh, cute. A Moorish gecko. I'm taking the long way around. Let's look at the beach. I don't want to go to the island. Someone, it sounds like they're laughing. Yeah, oh, what did I thought I stole something from him. Oh, they really did fence it off. Terraces, marshland, mountain. Is this the marsh mallard and a house martin? Is that a black-headed? No. No, it's not. So much garbage on this beach. Goodness gracious, bird. Where did you come from? Anyway, let's clean up and wait. Oh, they're babies. And last one is this one. Another one done. Complete. Yeah, I can. Right. What was making that noise? Let's investigate, Alba. My goodness. Alba. Oh, I'm healing them through the roof. Oh, supposed to do it this way though. Did I fix him though now? Scan. Scan. Thank you for the beautiful picture. A barn owl? I thought so. Looked like a barn owl. Let's just get out of here before they're like, why are you at a building site, Alba? 38, 39. 11 to go. Everything is sort of clean. Okay. Well, that's kind of you. Beautiful. Thank you very much. I want to go. Thank you. I need one more trash, please, before I go on my merry way. And here it is. Thank you very much. Complete. So I need One more rubbish patch? Yes. But Grandpa. Find and scan the dolphin. Can I clean? I'm assuming I can clean the island. And then I don't think that counts. I thought that was garbage. I was chasing a squirrel. Not too bad. 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Recycling it through this cleans up island. Valley, look at that. A dolphin. I just saw a dolphin again. It's been swimming up and down the beach for a while. I think it came back to say thanks. Oh, there it is. 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 Rare. Well. Well. The appearance shag. Anything else that shock? Rescued dolphin returns to luck. I need 5. 5 more. I'm glad the dolphin's still okay. Great job rescuing it and finding it again. Okay, but okay, so I need to do replace. Let's go. Okay, let's go back home. The North Beach is a total mess. Which North Beach? The island North? This one? Well. Huh. Why are you laughing at me? I'm helping. No, I think that's 1. Look at the dolphin. Oh, I need 1 more photo. 1 more, I think. I think that one. Okay, let's go. Right, an unidentified flying saucer. No, bird. I don't think so. Rabbit, I'm sneaking up on you. Hare. Why am I hearing a dog? Holy moly. Alba. Yes, I can see that. Who did this? Let's go help. It is a mess. But it's so sweet that everybody came together and to help. I feel like it's gonna be the mayor But no. Let me just... This is so much better now. I feel less angry. Well done, everybody. Everyone says, oh. I'm looking for... Oh, the links, the links, the links. Ooh, ooh. Freeze, Alba. Do not move. Take a photo. Take a quickly, quicker, Alba. Oh, it's gone, Alba. You were too. You saw it. You saw it. Yeah, it will be back. I hope I have enough. Yes, we did it. Come on, let's give the mayor the petition. But I didn't, like... I did have, okay. But I want to finish. Okay, wait. I'll be back. I just want to finish. There we go, there's one. Okay, then one more. It's cute. Which one more? Which one do I need though? Common turn. Yes, I believe they are flying around. Yes. Okay. Love it. Love it. No, I'm happy. I'm happy. It is... Okay. Common turn. Bird watchers hit the beach. Ah. Signs. Okay. Nature reserve restored. Okay. So I just need to fix the castle one and then scan all the animals. So let's go to the castle. That one. Okay, let's go to the rice fields. Which is around here. Too small, are they? I think that's it. No, it's too small. I need to be closer. Yes. No, thank you, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, it feels need 10 more. Okay, so marshlands are just there. I saw that one. There it is. Finally. You're a hard one to find, my friend. You're a hard one to find. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, that feels good. So now... farmland. European goldfinch. Okay. because the farmland is... I'm here. So I'm gonna go up and around the island. So let me go here. I'm gonna go here, then I'm going to the mountain. And... oh, that's up there as well. This is a rice fields. Okay, let's go up. Then we go to there. Okay, one down. Barn swallow. Beautiful. Okay, so let's see. I need 3 more. 2 more. Common kestrel. Okay. What's the other one? A little owl. Oh my goodness. Wait, there's a little owl. Okay, so I need 1 more. And I believe... I'm so close. I'm so close. It's for the satisfaction of 100% completion. Well, the common kestrel is not so common. Finally, that took me a while. Okay, so that is fixed. I gave up on a lot of animals. So let's check what I need. Okay, what do I need in the town? Scottish, I need, okay, I need to scan the dog. Okay, so that isn't a problem. Here, I need to scan the lynx. And I think the European hare, which I passed a few times. Okay, so now I just need the lynx. Beautiful. And the lynx, and that one I can't find. That bird. Which is not so common, even though its name is common something. Not much crime. No. Okay, thank you. Unidentified. New animal found. Scottish Terrier. Okay. No, not again. So the only animal I missed was the lynx and that one bird which is not so common. Is that a giant chicken statue? Where's the mayor? Let's get this over with. What do you want now? Okay, this is it. We're with you, Alba. The whole town is with you. $50. Show him. No, there's changed nothing. You haven't filed the correct paperwork. How do you know? I haven't checked. Come in, Inez. Ooh. 5 completed with all the signatures. The whole town signed it. He is hiding something. Yes, he is. He was behind the fire. I thought that was... Okay. Where is he then? Okay. Scan the mayor from a distance. Where is he there? Is he on the beach? Yes, it is. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Oh. Love the music. I don't think you can scan the links now that I think about it. The carpenter. Okay, now he's going. It's like Spy Kids. Where is he going? He's going up there. Is this his house? No, that's a church. Is that the church? Oh. The Paco, the hotel construction guy, talking to the mayor. This is it. Gotta catch him red-handed though. You'd follow them both in whatever's in that briefcase. Let's see what's in the... Okay, let's try one more. Yeah, there we go. Seriously? This is maybe a better shot though. Okay. 2 little kids. Okay. Yes. No matter your size, anyone can make a difference. My hard work. I hope the police lady listened. You big bully, take your towel of doom and leave. This is our island. Haha, not for much longer. The towel is just the start. This whole island could be mine. Wait, what? Tony, destroy your phone. I don't like photos of myself. No, that's enough. We have gone too far, Bucker. The towel was supposed to be a good thing for all of us. Oh, Mayor, change of heart? I'm so sorry. You should never come to this. I thought the hotel would be good for the island. But Paco, he just kept making it bigger and bigger. Best I talk to the police right away. They will have many questions. The right thing to do, Mr. Mayor. Right thing to do. The worst bit by Paco the hotel and many other things. I should have listened to you. Paco is on the run. Police looking for him everywhere. Obviously, the construction of the hotel will not continue. I'm stepping down as mayor with immediate effect. I will take on one. The AIWRL wants to know when the nature reserve will be restored. I'm not sure, probably not for a very long time. The restoration costs are more than Sikala can afford. Hopefully my successor can find a solution, whoever that might be. I failed you all. I'm very, very sorry. What, the nature reserve? Of course it will. We will all work. Ah, there we go. Teamwork. Teamwork. Follow the mayor. Careful what you wish for. Alba, Alba, wake up, Alba. Don't tell me it was a dream. What intonations? What? So, Grandpa, what is going on? Who set it on fire? Wait here, and I'm not gonna listen to you, Grandpa. Yes, Alba. Mm-hmm. No, search for Alba. Oh, this is so sad. Oh. Oh, is she okay? Yep, I lost her. I must check it back out to her house. Vincent, we have to find her. In the woods behind your house. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Why is the music so sad? Listen, this is supposed to be a cozy game. Cozy, cozy. Oh, her phone. Where is she? There she is. Oh, Oh my, Alba, this. Listen. Oh. Okay, can we go now, please? What a relief. Yes. My heart. Find Alba. Found Alba. Oh my goodness. Later that day. This is gonna be a long one. Longer than I thought it would be. I'll have to edit a lot. I'm sorry, future Chanel. And then you come out of this, everyone's like, mind blown. Man, we really did stop the hotel, save the nature reserve. What links us back from like extinction. Inez, I love you, my darling. All we need now is a better name for the IRWL. I knew Fachi. Do you miss me? You two definitely changed the world. I need one animal. Then I'm done. And it is that bird. It's that stupid bird. And let's finish with, where is Ines? Ines. Okay, talk to your grandparents, we leave it to Reeve. I'm just gonna... That was quite the adventure. Let's go home. Oh. Grandpa's got moves. It was the end. This was a beautiful game. I was worried there at the end, but if Alba and Ines have inspired you to protect the world's wildlife and biodiversity, here are some amazing organizations you should check out. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you very much for joining me on my journey, and let us all remember that one bird that got away. Thank you very much for watching. This is Nell, and I'll see you next time. Cheerios.